film's multimedia tie-ins also failed to launch. The film's multimedia tie-ins also failed to launch. The original production team spent millions on pre-production alone. It effectively ended Don Bluth's Hollywood career. It effectively ended Don Bluth's Hollywood career. They rebuild a spaceship from scratch in a couple of days. In another classic turn-off-your-brain scenario, our heroes end up repairing a derelict spacecraft from scratch in mere days. Yes, it is an animated kids' movie, an intense one, but a kids' movie nonetheless. But this sequence really stretches the audience's suspension of disbelief. The message is a good one. Work together with the people around you and you can accomplish anything, even in light of seemingly insurmountable odds. But it feels so entirely manufactured at the last second that it is hard to swallow. They were able to repair a spaceship that quickly and catch the ne'er-do-wells that easily. Well, all right then. The Earth relics that the characters treasure are more than 1,000 years old. The Earth relics that the characters treasure are more than 1,000 years old. The voice cast is working a lot against type. The voice cast is working a lot against type. Some of the visual effects look like they were pulled straight from a Microsoft Sound visualizer. There's a sizable body count. For a PG animated film that is clearly marketed towards kids, there is a lot of violence in Titan A. The film kicks off with the Earth blowing up, and it only ratchets up from there as the main characters fight their way through the film's 91-minute runtime. Welcome back to time. This isn't your parents' cheery, Saturday morning cartoon kind of picture. Necks are snapped, people are shot, and comic relief characters are blown up. Co-director Gary Goldman knew this was a step beyond traditional animated fare, saying it's intense. There's a lot of violence. I don't think anybody under 8 years old should see this film. The visuals were meant to look like a graphic novel. Visuals were meant to look like a graphic novel. Fox Animation Studios closed 10 days after the film was released. Drew Barrymore voices an Asian character. The soundtrack is a weird mix of Zero's alt-rock tracks. The soundtrack is a weird mix of Zero's alt-rock tracks. The CGI and 2D animation are far from seamless. The CGI and 2D animation are far from seamless.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.